Over at OCZ Suite, Jessica Lucan showed Brandon probably the coolest product at Computex, their Neural Impulse Actuator, a device that allows a user to control on-screen movements without hands. The device works by reading muscle and eye movements through a head strap. After a bit of training, Brandon was let loose in Unreal Tournament 2007. They also showed us a prototype of their new FireWire drive that doubles performance over a similar USB 2.0 flash drive and will be the first drive to take advantage of the Ready Boost feature on the new Vista OS. When finished, the FireWire drive will look similar to a USB flash drive. And for those of you who like to swim, fish, or surf with a USB drive, OCZ has introduced their waterproof ATV series of USB flash drives. The ATV series is designed to be completely waterproof down to the PCB level, and even includes a handy cap holder so you won't lose the cap. They also make a great accessory for fish tanks. And OCZ's new Hydrojet attempts to take liquid cooling to the masses by being an easy-to-set-up, completely self-contained unit. The CPU block contains carbon nanotubes to draw heat into a pump, pumping heated liquid across copper fan arrays, which are then cooled by a fan. Gigabyte had some serious hardware on display, including new motherboards with their ultra-durable 2 features based on the Intel X38 chipset, supporting PCI 2.0, with models for both DDR2 and DDR3. The DDR3 models can even be overclocked beyond a 1600 MHz frontside bus. Their ultra-durable 2 features include low RDS, a ferrite core, and all-solid Japanese capacitors. Gigabyte was also touting their latest version of their silent pipe heat pipe technology for 8600 GTS VGAs. It uses up only one additional slot in the case, adds 2 heat pipes to the heatsink, and is a totally silent thermal solution. Their new 3D Mercury case has a display that reads from a chip on board the PSU, which monitors fan speed, voltage, and watts used, all of which can be adjusted through the software for better performance and overclocking. 3D Mercury also is a complete liquid cooling system with a radiator and 3 outputs for CPU, VGA, and optional North Bridge or South Bridge cooling. NVIDIA had lots to show off at Computex Taipei, including notebooks, graphics cards, and motherboards featuring NVIDIA technology.
Welcome to NVIDIA's booth at Computex here. My name is Ravi Kaushik. I'm the product marketing manager for our notebook graphics products, and I'd like to introduce you to our several notebook products that we have today. We basically have the GeForce 8M family of notebook graphics products, and what we are showing here is notebook from all different vendors.
This Asus C90 powered by a GeForce 8600M GT GPU was showing Lost Planet, one of the first DX10 games. NVIDIA also showed notebooks by Toshiba and Acer utilizing the 8600M GT GPU. Dave Ranganese introduced the NVIDIA motherboard lineup.
Hello, my name is Dave Ranganese and I am an NVIDIA product manager, and what I want to talk to you today about is our motherboard lineup that we're featuring at Computex here in 2007. So what we have here is our motherboard wall. We have Intel as well as AMD motherboards.
On display was the new Gigabyte N680 SLI DQ6x16 SLI, featuring a 1333 MHz frontside bus and full support for the new Intel CPUs coming in Q3, including the 45nm Penbrand CPU. Other 680i SLI boards shown included a Designed by NVIDIA board from XFX, the EVGA 122CK NF68AR, and ABIT's Fatality FP IN9 SLI. For the Megatasker, NVIDIA was even showing off the Asus L1 N64 SLI WS, which uses the Enforce 680A multimedia and communications processor. It can run 2 AMD CPUs, 4 VGAs running 8 monitors, and 12 separate hard drives over 4 different LAN connections. NVIDIA also showed off some single CPU AMD solutions, such as this Shuttle SN6BG5PVNT. We also caught up with Justin Walker, who introduced this year's GeForce lineup.
Hi, my name is Justin Walker. I'm a product manager for desktop graphics at NVIDIA, and we're here at Computex 2007. And what we're showcasing here is our series of graphics cards. We have a complete top-to-bottom series of GeForce 8 series graphics cards. So from the high-end enthusiast, hardcore hardware enthusiast, all the way down to our mainstream PC user, we have graphics solutions for everyone. All featuring our GeForce 8 series graphics. So we have DirectX 10, we have high-definition video processing, and we have a great Windows Vista experience across the line.
This 8500 GT from Gigabyte with a monster passive heatsink offers a completely silent solution. And another completely silent graphics card from Gigabyte, based on the 8600 GTS GPU and featuring Gigabyte's silent pipe technology. The 8800 Ultra is currently the fastest graphics card available on the market. They were demonstrating Lost Planet played with two 8800 Ultras in SLI mode. Coolermaster had some pretty badass looking cases, including the limited edition CSS line of cases. They were showing off power supplies too, including a 1250 watt PSU that was powering 4 graphics cards and 2 hard drives. True to form, Coolermaster also had some pretty cool coolers on display. Their newest model is the CM Sphere with 4 heat pipes, while the Vortex is built for more low-profile systems. And the Hyper comes with an adjustable fan. The Gemini cools not only the CPU, but also the RAM and chipset, and comes in 2 sizes. Coolermaster also showed off aftermarket VGA coolers, including a water cooling system, as well as an easy-to-use external hard disk cooler. The all-aluminum Cosmos case is new for 2007. It features a special cable management system for improved airflow, and the Cosmos side panels are built using special noise-absorbing materials for better acoustics. From Computex 2007, I'm Alex Mevin.